Hi, y'all. Carrie D here. I'm doing a series on how to play different math games with just some dice and a simple deck of cards. Now, in this game, all you need is dice and you need some pennies and some dimes. This game is called Race to Washington because you're racing to a dollar bill, and George is on the dollar bill. So, what you're going to need for this game is a game board that looks a lot like this, where you have three columns. You've got your penny column, your dime column, and your dollar column. All right. And you need a bunch of pennies and dimes and one die. Okay. I like to use this. I like to use this game board more just because this is also a great game to teach place value, decimal place value, as well as money. And so I like to use the decimal notation, but it's up to you depending on the age of your child. Okay, the way this game works is you take turns. You each have a game board like this. You take turns rolling a dice, and the die tells you how many pennies to put on your board. Okay, I went ahead and already drew in 10 circles because that helps the younger kids remember you can never have more than 10 pennies, because once you do, you have to exchange them for a dime. All right, so my opponent goes, now it's my turn again. I roll the dice. I rolled a 4. Remember, the dice always tells you how many pennies to add to your board. So now I have 7 pennies. All right, so my opponent goes, now it's my turn again. I roll a 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, oh boy, 4, 5, and 6. But the rule of the game is you can never have more than 10 in each column. So my 10 pennies, I have to exchange for one dime, and I place the dime there. And remember, I had 3 pennies left over. So now I have 13 cents, and now it's my opponent's turn. Okay, my turn again. I roll the dice. Remember, it tells me how many pennies to get. So now I'm going to get 4 pennies. I'm going to put them in the circles because that really does help. All right, my opponent goes. Now it's my turn again. I roll a 5. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. I'm full. 4 and 5. So I can never have more than 10. So I exchange them for another dime, and I put my extra ones right there. All right, so you just keep playing the game until all of your dimes are filled in. All right, and once you have all your dimes filled in and you have 10 dimes here, remember you can have no more than 10. And so therefore I need to exchange those for my dollar bill, which I don't have because I'm poor. But anyway, that would be your race to Washington. I just won because I was the first one to get to George. Have a great day.